Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 12th, 2026, complete overcast right now in the skies. Looks like it's going to rain again. Hopefully it'll hold off for a little while and I can start harvesting some garlic scapes. And yeah, so today's June 12th, so today's the closing. So I've been back and forth to the computer working with the title company in Tennessee. A bit challenging because when you have the DocuSigns show up, like there's 3 parcels listed as opposed to 1 parcel, so we want to make sure everything's included, and we want to get the title insurance as well, doing those sorts of things. So I have just generated another email to make sure everything's covered in the title and the deed. So that's where we are at this point, working on that. A little stressful because it's a lot of money and we want to make sure all the details are correct. Anyways, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest the garlic scapes before they get any bigger. You can see the nice little curlicues here. And the way I do it is I just reach down right here and I just give it a quick snap like that, and there's our garlic scape. We'll peel off the tip. And I like doing it when they're about this size because all of this is tender, great for hummus or stir fry or any number of dishes and all. And they're absolutely delicious. Oh, come on, Kevin. They're absolutely delicious. So anyways, that's what I'm going to try and do before it starts pouring here. I'm looking forward to when the shallots start sending up their scapes. It looks like they're just about to, but today's the day to harvest the garlic scapes. So here we go.
Just one of those days. Woke up this morning with a list a mile long. Every time I cross one off, something else goes wrong. Got calls to make and letters yet to send. Feels like every road I'm on just bends and bends. Lord, it's one of those days where the paperwork fights back. Got people on the phone and the world off track. Fraud and taxes and the government too. Tell me, honey, what's a tired man to do? It's just one of those days. Last month a federal man came knocking at my door. Said I owed him something, said I owed him more. Then yesterday the state decided they'd join in. Now somebody's stealing from my next of kin. Lord, it's one of those days where the paperwork fights back. Got people on the phone and the world off track. Fraud and taxes and the government too. Tell me, honey, what's a tired man to do? It's just one of those days. Got plants that need the ground and bushes need to move, but I can't get to the garden, can't find my groove. The workshop's still half standing in the yard out back, and the Amish must be hiding down some unmarked track. Lord, it's one of those days where the paperwork fights back. Got people on the phone and the world off track. Fraud and taxes and the government too. Tell me, honey, what's a tired man to do? It's just one of those days. But somewhere down the road there's land we're gonna walk. Somewhere down the road we'll have the time to talk. The garden's gonna bloom, and the workshop's gonna stand, and those Amish boys will show up with a hammer in their hand. Yeah, it's one of those days, but we'll get through it fine. Got my woman by my side, and the sun's gonna shine. Fraud and taxes, and the government too, couldn't shake us if they tried. Me and you, it's just one of those days. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Where'd those Amish go? Anyway.
The priest said they'd be calling home, said I'd crossed in line again. I kicked a ball through a church window, and the trouble wouldn't end. Walked the long road back to the house, every step felt like a mile. Mama said, your father's waiting, I could see it in her smile. My old man knew something the rest could never see, while the world kept calling me broken. He saw something in me, took me to the back room quietly, said, son, we'll make it through. The world might not understand you, but your old man knew. The leather belt came off his waist, like it always did before, but he slipped his wallet into my pocket as he closed that bedroom door. The belt came down like thunder for the ears outside the room, but it never touched a single thread of the boy they thought they knew. Mm-hmm. 34 Ohio Street, winter in the air, nickel bottles and a paper sack, treasure everywhere. Dave and I on frozen sidewalks, chasing 5-cent dreams, candy bars and elm tree shadows, bigger than they seemed. Catholic school and wooden desks, rules I couldn't see. Teacher pointing at a book and says, read to me. Letters sliding off the page like leaves before a storm. The whole room was laughing while I wondered why my mind was born. Maybe I was built a different way, never fit the plans they made. Every road they tried to send me down, I somehow disobeyed. Took the long road, took the hard road, learned the truth along the way. Turns out the world needs people who are built a different way. emergency door and a sign I couldn't read. Someone said, "You ought to know better." Asked if I was weak. Something in me answered back before I had a choice. Yeah, maybe I'm the stupid one, but anger found a voice. Daddy took me in the back room slowly, leather belt hanging down low, slipped his wallet in my pocket seam, slinging loud for years outside the room, but never touching me. Maybe I was built a different way, never fit the plans they made. Every rule they tried to force on me just got in my way. Took the long road, took the hard road, learned the truth along the way. Turns out the world needs people who are built a different way. Years went by and the truth showed through. The thing they called a weakness was the thing that pulled me through. Yeah, I was built a different way, never fit the mold they made, but the roads I carved and lessons learned were worth the price I paid. Sometimes the ones who wander far, the ones who light the way. Turns out the world keeps turning for the ones built a different way.
So the harvesting of the garlic scapes went pretty well today. Got one bin, much smaller than what we usually get, but this year we've been growing less. And I'm picking them a bit earlier as well, so some of them are really very, very small. However, you know, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. We have some that haven't started, the scapes haven't started to emerge yet. So over this next week, I'll have to come back here and pick those ones as well. I mean, there's just some real small ones in here. And there's a lot of weeding to do over here, but that isn't high on the priority list, unfortunately. Got more work to do. Just, there aren't enough hours in the day, unfortunately. So there's one there I missed. And these, some of these are real small. This is off to the side, you know. So anyways, mission successful. We got the garlic scapes harvested. I got to go back inside and see if there's any more information on the portal that the title company uses. See if they've responded to my questions yet. And hopefully we can get things settled for the property today. All right. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Really appreciate it. I hope you folks enjoy garlic scapes and shallot scapes when they come up. And certainly the garlic and the shallots at the end of the season when it's time to harvest those. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.